Hello friends, in this video I am going to introduce you to the LabVIEW. LabVIEW is a graphical programming environment. It is used for measurement, control and test purposes. LabVIEW programs are called virtual instruments or VI. It is used to acquire data, analyze data, display data and store data. There are three main components of the LabVIEW VI. First is front panel, second is block diagram, third is icon and connector panes. Front panel. This is the user interface of VI. Here control and indicators are used. Control is the input of the program, whereas indicators are output of the program. Here I have created a program for random number generation. This is the front panel of the random number generation program. So here control, because I am giving the input here, and this graph is a indicator. Here I am taking output in the form of graph. Now second is block diagram. It contains a graphical source code. This block diagram consists of structures and function which perform operation and provide output. In block diagram, basically we are writing the logic of the program in terms of functions and structures. So for the same program, this is the block diagram. Here this is the random number generation function, and I have used a multiplier here. This random number generation function is to generate a random number between 0 and 1, which is multiplied by 100, and here in the form of graph I am taking the output. I will explain you in detail about the programming of LabVIEW in future lectures. The third main component of LabVIEW is icon and connector pane. Icon are the graphical representation of VI. It contains text and image both. Connector pane defines the wiring of control and indicator in the VI so that VI can be used as a sub VI. The use of icon and how to create sub VI, how to use connector pane, this thing will be explained in the upcoming lectures. Here in the front panel, this is the representation. This is how icons will be visible, and this is how connector will be seen. It will be seen in the top right corner of the front panel of your program. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.